Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. It's just Ernie here and I am back with another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. On this channel we talk about everything glowing up, leveling up, and becoming the woman of our dreams. If that sounds like content you love to watch, make sure you subscribe and turn my post notifications on so you never miss a video. And without further ado, let's just hop right on into this video. On today's video, I will be talking about my favorite micro beauty habits that you can implement into your day-to-day life. You know how we do on this channel, we always start from the top to the bottom. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with face eyebrow threading. I feel like eyebrow threading is great because unlike waxing can break you out and waxing can like damage your skin. Meanwhile, eyebrow threading is really quick. I feel like it lasts a really long time because you're pulling those hairs from the root. Usually my eyebrows stay threaded for like a month. They frame your face. I get my eyebrows threaded once a month. So I honestly think this is a really cheap and quick beauty hack. I got my eyebrows started for like $15. I feel like it typically ranges between like $8 and $20 depending on where you live, but I would definitely suggest you get your eyebrows threaded. Another thing is DIY lash extensions. I swear by these because in my humble opinion, regular lash extensions don't really last and they're expensive. If you have the money to get your lashes done every 2 weeks and if you have the time to get them done every 2 weeks, go ahead, but I just feel like you're spending like $300 a month on lashes, anywhere between $300 to $600 a month on lash extensions, and they don't really last. So honestly, my favorite thing that I've been doing so far is like DIY lash extensions. I have some on right now. In my opinion, they're quicker. Like I put on these lashes in 10 minutes. They're quicker, they're easier, they last just as long depending on your application and what type of glue you use, and they save you so much money. Another micro beauty habit I suggest every lady should have is to have your go-to signature lip combo. I have like 6. I have like a whole bunch of lip combos that I do depending on my mood. This right now is just like a dark brown lip liner with pink matte lip cream from NYX, and it's just like one of my favorite daytime lip combos because it's really simple. It's just a nice little pink lip combo and you know, it gets the job done. I definitely suggest that all my women of color who are watching this, that whenever you do a lip combo, make sure you go in with a darker lip liner so the lipstick looks better on you. I feel like for my women of color, when we go in first with a darker lip liner, it just makes that lipstick color look so much better on us. Another micro beauty habit that I swear by is shaving your face. Whenever I shave my face, it just allows my skincare products to penetrate my skin better. It allows your makeup to apply way more smoother. I love shaving my face, and it makes your skin just look clearer and brighter as well. So I definitely suggest if you haven't started doing this, make sure you shave your face. Make sure you get a good razor online. I get mine from Amazon. I can put them down below in the description bar. But yeah, make sure you're shaving your face. Get like a good facial oil while you're shaving your face. Facial oil I would recommend is argan oil or maybe castor oil. Those two oils don't typically clog your pores as much. They're safe on the skin. Okay, now we're gonna move to the body. So I mentioned this before, but I swear by it and I will always bring it up, but make sure you give yourself nightly massages with castor oil. I swear by this, guys. Like I swear by it. Every single time I give myself a massage the night before with castor oil, I swear I wake up with the most snatched stomach. Literally, my stomach is literally like, is so snatched. Not only does it snatch you up, it moisturizes your skin, detoxes your body, and it is an anti-inflammatory agent. So I just absolutely love castor oil. I swear by it. I think it's a miracle oil, like literally. So I definitely think you should get into castor oil if you haven't already. Another thing I swear by is dry brushing. And I feel like this is part of the reason why my skin is so smooth is because I dry brush every single day. I absolutely love dry brushing. I swear by it because it just makes your skin so smooth. It exfoliates your skin. It's lymphatic drainage. Another thing when it comes to body is one way that I make my skin always look glowy is I use the Cetaphil Shea Butter Body Lotion. I swear by that body lotion. Every single time I use it, I have the most gorgeous and glowy skin. And it's not like a greasy glow, it's like an inner glow. Like the glow is to die for. It makes my skin just look so youthful, so glowy, and so radiant, and I swear by it. I actually am kind of mad that I just put you guys on because I wanted that to be my little secret, and I kind of wanted to gatekeep it. I can never gatekeep anything from my girls because I love you guys. We're like this, so I have to put you guys onto that Cetaphil Shea Butter Lotion. I put it on today. It gives you like such a healthy and youthful glow, and I cannot get over it. Another thing that I swear by is tretinoin for your acne and anti-aging. I've been using tretinoin since I was 16. When I was 16, I had the worst acne, and I swear tretinoin literally has changed my life. You need to get this prescribed, so talk to your dermatologist about it. Another thing I swear by is daily walks. Especially since I've moved to Miami, I've been walking a lot, and when I tell you it has snatched me, it has snatched me up. I've never been this snatched in my life because of these daily walks. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Daily walks just tone your body, they get rid of body fat, and it flattens your stomach. It will just tone you up, help you lose weight. Like, I just love daily walks. Last but not least, if you can, keep your hair, your nails, your lashes, and your brows done at all times. It will cut your getting ready time in half, like in literal half. Like, it'll be so easy and quick to get ready on a day-to-day basis, and you'll just wake up pretty. And like, when you wake up pretty, it just makes you want to get out the house. It just makes you want to be productive. It just makes you want to live your best life. That is all the micro beauty habits that I implement into my day-to-day life that I wanted to share with you, so you can possibly implement them into your day-to-day life to help you on your glow up journey. If you love this video, make sure you like it and make sure you share it with a friend. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment down below if you have any tips on any micro beauty habits you love that you would love to put the girls onto. And yeah, if, like I said, if you're new here, if you've subscribed, welcome to the family. Stay a while. There's a lot to love over here. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.